G'day, time for another adventure. This one's pretty simple. We're just going up the Wonga Beach, camp at the beach. We haven't been there for, bloody years. We'll go on there when Piper was still in nappies. So it's a pretty nice spot. It used to be Pinnacle Village, then it's Daintree Beach Resort. Now I think it's owned by bloody G'day Parks or Big Four or some shit. But anyway, it's a nice spot right on the beach. We'll have a fish and I'll give you a look. So me and Piper are in this car. We got Mr. T in the back. Peeking out the front. And then Beck's behind us. She's got Rivy in the cage. Good little weekend away. And we have a swim in the pool. We're gonna have a swim in their pool too. Daintree Beach Resort. I think they've got these new glamping tents and stuff too. They got glamping tents, they got cabins, powered sites and for vans obviously, and then they got this big, just like big unpowered spots so you can just pull up anywhere. They have dogs, they're just gonna be tied up obviously. Beautiful spot. Just like that, she's set up. This is the unpowered camping bit. It's sick. Goes all the way over here. So you just camp wherever you like. Plenty of shade, plenty of mozzies. And there's a pool just over here and dunnies. And then the beach is just on the other side of these trees. Drop these tire pressures a bit and we'll see how we go. Sir. Going for a beach fish, Snapper Island. Fishing time. Rods are out. Obviously you got to be careful of crocodiles because the Daintree River is right there. Tie the dogs up. Make sure that dog doesn't bloody go running down there. You're the dog. Time, girl, make up your mind, girl. Tell me the things you never tell. I'm not here for a cheap thrill. I want the real deal. Tell me what's real. When you say your lips are locked, I know the code. Every secret that you got, I wanna know. 'Cause you're such a mystery. I'm the confidant you need. When you say your lips are locked, I know the code. little late. She's a bit salty under the ute, but we'll go wash him off, eh? Obviously, driving through a bit of salt, you want to give it a good rinse. Wasn't planning on driving through the salt, but we got stuck there a bit longer than what I was expecting. No fish though, which sucks, but anyway. Give it a good rinse, she'll be right. She'll be right, mate. So they've got like a little food van or something going on over here with these tents and ferry lots and that. So if it's a part of the caravan park, we might even go over there and put a bit of money into it and just buy dinner there. We've got music and everything going on, so we'll go have a look. We're hoping to have a morning fish since we done no good yesterday. It's blowing its ass off. So we might just have a brekkie beer and chill out in the TP. Not a bad little TP.
What's up, Mr. T? What are you doing, buddy?
Ruby's got a stick. It's just covering Mr. T in sand. What happened, buddy? What happened? Silly Rivy. All hope was lost, and then Beck was on a fish and she lost it in typical Beck fashion. Typical Beck fashion for losing a fish. Making a redemption. Get him in. Little sharky. Not bad. Righto, well that's us anyway. Got the shark, we're gonna pack up. Better head home shortly. Might go have a swim first and then we'll be out of here. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, have a good one.